Hello everyone, so today is 20th of September and so again talking about the performance for Twitter followers. I again today gave another trade, so that was in the morning. Okay, so here that is 20,000 P bought at 69.5 and then I closed it at 81, but the price went to more than 90 rupees as well. So anyway, so that's enough. That's more than like 16%. So the thing is that yes, it's 16.5%, and now 1 lakh becomes 1,91,000. Okay, more than 91,000. So how? Just those who follow me knows very well. On 5th September, I gave 2 trades which gave 40% on Twitter. Just I'm talking about the free trades that I've shared on Twitter. Okay, 5th September, and then I did not share any trades or all the analysis I shared, but I won't claim anything from there. Then this Friday I shared, okay, that gave 22%. Monday I shared, that gave 13.5%, and today I shared 3 consecutive days. Today I shared 16.5%. Okay, so almost like the total percentage is coming out to be 92%. Okay. So 1 lakh, just with simple interest, it becomes 92 lakhs, and that too just like throughout this September month. I'm not talking about the previous month or anything, and that too just for free. Okay, so that's what I say, that you first you can earn and then you can join. Okay, so like I give you many free trades on Twitter, and that too like all these trades went with 100% accuracy. There was no trades in between that were posted which went wrong or anything. Okay, apart from that, I have said several analysis and anything, so I won't claim anything, just only the trades. Okay, so the September month hasn't yet ended, but yes, that's 92%. Okay, so just 1 lakh becomes 1,92,000, and that's a huge one. Okay, so you know that it's one of like a very good salary for those who are working in the IT industry. Okay, so if my analysis are helping you, don't forget to put a like. Please do encourage me so that I can continue such analysis. I get the encouragement to share such analysis on Twitter just for free, and so that you can take the benefit, so that we can help each other grow. So yeah, now let's come to the analysis. Again, for the members here today morning, we first took in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty 45. So there was the first gap down, and then we were very careful because I said from this Friday, okay, that put buyers are active. Okay, so just go and check Friday's analysis. Okay, so those who are new here, you can go then check Friday's analysis. I kept on saying that put buyers are there. The average price I mentioned it, and not only that, I tweeted during the live market that put buyers are active on Friday. Even I said that on Monday as well, and today they have like more than doubled or tripled their investment. Okay, anyways, so the major point being here is after the gap down, since they positions were giving, like the put buying positions were giving double 2x profit, so that's why I was careful at the very beginning. But then again we saw that the big guys were further buying puts, and we also did. 45,500 P bought at 81. Okay, so we closed it very early at 108, which was giving 33.3%. You know, 33.3% is very good, but this went more than 200. Okay, so again, no regret or anything, so this happens, but again 33.3% is also a lot. Again, this trade was shared on Twitter as well. That is 20,000 P bought at 69.5 and closed at 81. And not only that, there was another positional call writing position which was already shared in the last video as well. I said that. So last day we took it at positional call writing. So here at 49.50, and today it went down to 1 digit. Okay, so that's the overall analysis. If you want such analysis, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, and this is again guys the same in Telegram channel, so nothing fake or anything. So yeah, so again the same Telegram channel. So if I go wrong some days, that also I show. And yes, So now it's perfectly like I mean, these analysis are working. So let's go, and so for the members, you'll get access to the money flow indicators, and you'll get and complimentary access to the Telegram channel. So coming to the money flow, so the money flow in the morning, again there was a big gap, and then Nifty came down, and then I showed that there was again money flow was not coming down, and in the end, and so there is no chance of any further very very high fall or something. So that I mentioned during the live market hours here. Why? Because though here you see that even Bank Nifty score was flat, money flow was flat, though Bank Nifty was going down, so money flow was flat. So that was indicating, and Bank Nifty finally you see came up. Okay, so that showed that for, I mean, here what was happening is that many people were expecting, like I said, that 19930 is one of the support zone. Okay, so when this crossed, many thought that like today again further fall would happen, and so they were buying puts and anything. So that's what I said, that don't trade here, because nothing is for sure here, because if this breaks, then I mean 90,775, which I mean we will see a very high fall if this happens. Okay, so we should watch this level if this breaks or not. So today, for today, there was no sign that I mentioned during the live market hours here. If you those who follow me on Twitter knows here. Okay, so when this Nifty was hovering around 19,930, and Bank Nifty was here. So let's open Bank Nifty. Yeah, so Bank Nifty was hovering around 45,310. I clearly mentioned that these are major supports. Okay, so I mentioned it somewhere in the tweet. So here. Okay, so yes, I mentioned everything, and then you saw that, I mean, the analysis perfectly worked out. So again, please don't forget to put a like. So all these analysis are working out is not magic. This is hard work. Okay, so I think I deserve some likes, guys, and please do share it among the other traders as well, so that they can also take the benefit of such analysis. So talking about, yes, 45,310, Bank Nifty took support and went up, because the money flow was not supporting. We even mentioned it during the live market hours. For Nifty also, it did not further fall. Okay, closing at around 90,901, but still we can't say that this level has been taken down. Okay, so the thing is that we should watch that if 19,900 breaks or doesn't sustain, then the next level will be at 19,775. Okay, so talking about Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty again, it went up, but you see again it got resistance, or it stopped at the next level, that is 45,466. All these levels were marked and posted, and even showed on my earlier videos as well. So I mean, you see that these are working like magic. Okay, so these as I said, that these levels, how they were marked as the major concentration of the money flow on those earlier intraday. Okay, so that's what how they come up. And because what happens is that, like, Nifty is going for new levels, all-time high, new higher levels. So what you do is you don't get any, like how we previously used to draw these blue lines. They were multiple support and resistance, so okay, on the charts. But here, when it's going into the new region, then you don't have multiple supports and anything. So how do you then get support and resistance? So this is I came up with this way of this support and resistance for when we have like totally new levels are working. Okay, so and these are working perfectly. Okay, so anyways, you won't find these levels. You will surely find these levels. Okay, these blue levels anywhere else, but you might find or might not find, because these are multiple supports and resistance. One can easily figure that out by just on the chart. Okay, you can also figure that out. But these dotted yellow lines, they no one would be able to figure this out. Okay, so you see they are working perfectly. So now again, you should draw these lines on your charts as well, so that they can help you. Anyways, talking about the other analysis. So again, today you see that FIs have sold, DIs also have sold. So coming to here, that is the next thing, that is EOD. So EOD, there is a very important thing to note down, is that heavy futures long positions have been closed by the FIIs. So are they not expecting that Nifty will be going up by 200 to 300 points? So in the upcoming days, so why did they close? That's the major question. Okay, because you see this is September 20, so still they have time. So throughout this September month, what happened? Like why did they close? So aren't they expecting that Nifty won't be going up by 200 or 300 points again? So they are not expecting, so as we can see here. But still, again, the question arises, then are we going to see some fall? Again, no futures short positions initiated, future short positions also closed. So FIIs are confused here. Okay, talking about PropDex, they have averaged out their futures long positions. So they made some futures long positions last time, as you can see here, on Monday. So they have averaged out their positions, so they did not close it. And talking about this these PropDex, and these PropDex, the same the PropDex, they have, again, they did not book their future short positions, which they are carrying it for a very long time. So when this 2000 crossed, then 2200 came, I kept on saying that this is unusual. Okay, the PropDex, ये मतलब ये futures short positions close नहीं कर रहे. So there is something that again we would be going down. Okay, so that was the indication, because it was unusual that they are not closing. Usually what happens is that they close, but they were not, and that's a heavy position they were taking. Anyways, talking about option chain, so option chain overall call writing positions are there, and put writing positions are have been closed. And again you can see that, like, though PropDex, they have closed their heavy put writing positions, and also they have closed their put call writing positions, but today they did not initiate much positions. Okay, they just, if you look at the difference here, so they made these positions on the last day and they closed it. Okay, because Bank Nifty expiry. So that's what, like, they just closed the Bank Nifty expiry, but again no fresh position. So I think tomorrow what happens is, like, fresh positions would be coming into the play, and that's what we have to identify early in the morning. But overall you see that PropDex, they are carrying call writing positions, and also FIs, they are also carrying call writing positions. But if you notice, FIs, they did some put writing positions, because if you notice here the data, so that's basically saying that they have also initiated put writing positions today. So for tomorrow we have to carefully note that what actually the fresh positions are coming into the play tomorrow. But for now it's like option chain is bearish. Okay, and option chain is not like because heavily bearish, I won't say, because put buying is not there. Okay, so put buying is not there. You see PropDex, they have closed their put buying positions, which they made from Friday, and today they have tripled, doubled, more than doubled, whatever, they have closed it. Okay, after that. And so there is nothing like which is saying that we are heavily bearish. But call writing is not like bearish. Call writing can be like Nifty can be neutral, and call writers can easily take the benefit of it, because tomorrow we have expiry. So the major thing is being that upside will be limited, but downside we can't surely now foresee that heavy downfall or anything can happen. So that's the option chain is saying for the futures positions. FIS positions, they have closed futures long positions, but they did not initiate short positions. PropDex, they have initiated long positions and they have averaged it out. So overall they are long. So that's why we need to be a little bit careful. Okay. So both the sides bidirectional moves can come, and tomorrow is expiry. You know what happens during expiry. So the first half, what is happening is even the big guys. I have told you this last week, last week also. The big guys now, they have also become option buyers. They are buying options, and that's why you see that I'm catching these signals, and that's why they are going with such high accuracy. Okay, and so they in the first half option buyers are active. In the second half option sellers are active. Okay, so that's why look what the option buyers are doing in the first half. Take the advantage of it, and if you're an option buyer, then leave. Okay, and if you're an option seller, so then you can just also take the help of, suppose if put buying is going on, then you can easily write calls. Okay, that's what I say always, that option buyers needs direction. The option sellers, if they can catch, they can easily take the benefit of it. So anyway, so overall thing is data is almost neutral. Okay, for now. Don't think that data is heavily bearish or anything. Tomorrow we will see 300 points fall or anything. No, for now data points are not saying that. Data points are only saying that it can be both bidirectional day, and we can go neutral. Okay, so that's my analysis. And yes, so again, if you want to be a member, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And and for those who do not follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter for live market updates. And also you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily analysis. And please don't forget to like the video, and please do share it among the other traders so that they can also take the advantage of it. Thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning at Trade Safely. See you in the next one.